everyone, to start off by writing numbers from 0 to 5, starting with the 0 at this curved line above it, and then add lines to it. Make a mushroom out of it, add polka dots to this mushroom. Next, make it into a stem, and then make it look like a leek plant or a spring onion. Next, for the third one, or rather the second number, we'll start off by drawing this ovular shape and then make it into a carrot. Now, for the number 3, make it into 2 chilies. For the number 4, as you can see, we have made it into this grass, and then for the number 5, we are making it into a pumpkin as such. Next, we'll start off by drawing an X shape, and then after this, connect the two sides of it. Add an ovular shape at the top or a downward facing U, and then afterwards add a stem at the bottom. This will be a peeled open banana. Now add an eye to it as well as a mouth, color the cheeks in, and then color the rest of the banana peel in as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing the slightly curved shape, and then afterwards do the same on the other side. Add these leaves on the bottom of it, and then afterwards color this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing these lines, and then afterwards underneath it add a small slight V shape to it. Around it, make the circular shape, and then afterwards this will be cherries. Now color all of it in the color red as such. Next, we'll start off by doing a downward facing V, and then afterwards add a curved line to the base of it. Now add a curved line again, add seeds to it, and then add a handle at the bottom. Next, instead of doing it like this, we'll start off by drawing a C shape, and then afterwards draw one right beside it as well. Continue to do it about 3 or 4 times, and then afterwards add a stem at the top of it. Make multiple bananas to it and connect it to each other as such. Color this in yellow once you're done with it, and the stubs in black. Next, start off by drawing these multiple circles in order to make grapes. This, however, is the wrong way to do it. Instead, start off by drawing the leaf, a large one at that. After this, take a stencil and then slowly begin to make circular shapes underneath it, and do so in ascending order. Now, as you can see, the large leaf at the top is covering a lot of it, and then do so until you reach one. Next, draw these 2 trees, and then afterwards connect them. Make this chili out of it as such. Afterwards, add a top to it. For the first one, it is not a chili, it is a carrot. Now for the second one, it is a chili. Draw 2 trees underneath it, and then afterwards connect it and do the body of the chilies. Add the stem to it as well. Next, start off by drawing these 6 circles, and then afterwards add the top to it. Now add a slightly wavy shape to it as well. Add a stem to it along with 2 leaves on either side. Now add the top to it, and then add a check shape to it as well. After you've added the check shape, color it in yellow. Now moving on to the second part of it, add thorns on either side of it, and then add this handle at the top as well. Add thorns within the body. Color this in pink to make it a dragon fruit. Now for the 5th option, add an ovular shape within it and make it look like a kiwi. As for the 6th, make it into any sort of citrus fruit, and then color it in purple. Next, in order to do this, we'll take a sheet of paper, fold it over to begin with, and then afterwards add these multiple curvy lines to it. Now add a stem to it at the top, add eyes to it in the front, make it look serious as possible. After this, open it up and then draw the back of it, and then draw the mouth as well. Connect it to the base, add teeth to it. After you do so, make it look like the tongue is coming out of it as well. Add these lines on it, and then afterwards add flames around it as well. Color this in. Thank you for watching.